To use Google Ads Keyword Planner, start by signing in to your Google Ads account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner of the page. Then select Keyword Planner from the drop-down menu. Next, you will see two options. Discover new keywords and get metrics and forecasts for your keywords. If you are just starting out, select Discover New Keywords. This option will allow you to find new keywords and phrases that are relevant to your business. Enter a keyword or phrase that is relevant to your business, and then select the location and language for your search. You can also enter a website or a category to get more specific results. Click on the Get Results button to see a list of keyword ideas. The results page will show you a list of keywords and phrases that are related to your search term, along with data on the average monthly searches, competition level, and suggested bid. You can use this data to identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your business. To get more specific results, you can use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down your search by location, language, and other criteria. You can also use the options at the top of the page to change the view and see more or less data. Once you have identified the keywords you want to target, you can add them to your plan and get forecasts for how they will perform. This will give you an estimate of the impressions, clicks, and conversions you can expect from each keyword, as well as the cost. To add keywords to your plan, simply check the box next to each keyword and then click on the Add Keywords button. You can then view your plan and get forecasts for your selected keywords. Using Google Ads Keyword Planner is an effective way to find and target the right keywords for your business, and can help you create successful Google Ads campaigns. By following these steps and using the tools and data provided by Keyword Planner, you can improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website.